Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today's nail art, I'm featuring a KADS stamping plate, and it's KADS IMMATURITY 021. Now let's peel off the blue protective film. Now let's try out this adorable stamping plate. And after all of that, I applied top coat. If you want to try out this stamping plate yourself, the link is available on the description box below. And don't forget to use my 10% discount coupon code on kadsnailart.com. It's KADS honeycrunch321. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!